Anybody win this? Win the game. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
You lost?
Yes, you
You
win.
lost against the dwarf?
Okay, finish. I gotta go. Finish mean finish. Did I say
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Thank you, thank you. He likes my headband, my head wrap. I love a good head wrap. You all know that, right?
I love that you buy galette. I can.
Hi, babes. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. Sarah, don't do that. Hey, head up. You guys, a lot of noise going on. Hey, don't shout like that. What's on your mouth? Oh, it's the donut. You guys, a lot of things been happening in this house, but right now I just got home from the supermarket and I'm going to the supermarket hall and everybody wants something that's in the bag. So let's just jump right into it. She want Monster Munch. She want Monster Munch. Give her Monster Munch. And Tyler find something that he wants. Show them what he wants. Tyler wants got it, but I have to cut it so he gonna. But wait, it's time for the supermarket haul. Alright, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. It's time for the supermarket haul.
You didn't sing.
I don't normally sing.
I want everyone to sing. Can you open?
Yes, I can open it for you, but first say hello to the face. Very good time.
Yes, I like this one too. Very good. Monster Munch for Papa.
We can also eat from this. But we're doing the supermarket haul at the same time. Can you tell that everybody hungry? They need to eat your donut because they're not going to let it spoil this week. You see, I eat mine. Sarah eat hers. Tyler eat his.
Have you ever seen that your wife did? You need to eat your donuts.
Yes, it's a demand. So I give him the finger.
You need to eat your donuts.
Yes, or else you're going to get spanking.
Bang because you don't eat your donuts.
Mama, eat it right now.
I know so something like you and donuts. Careful, I'm watching you next time. Don't cheat on your diet. You need to eat your donuts.
Mama,
Yes,
you say I can do this with this foot. But
All
this one
right.
I can't.
Why you can't?
Because it hurts.
Why it hurt? You fell today?
No, it's
What is
because
that?
I was so good at sport. I was doing okay, so I was running very fast. Now you're hurting.
Well, guess what? You got a good exercise in and you are very tired. It's showing your eyes.
Chicken.
Come on,
That's not chicken, Sarah. What is that?
Chicken.
I did 2 hours.
Yes.
Do the supermarket haul while you eat. Don't mind my kids munching. They're hungry, so they have to munch.
Is that Sarah?
Correct.
Good job.
Corn.
Yes.
Mama.
Eggs. Yes, Sarah.
You
Yes,
see,
Sarah.
when I do sport, I use a lot of my water in my body.
Very good. Did you drink a lot today?
Yes.
All of it?
No, but there's just a little bit left.
I'm gonna slap you with the ginger. I see sizing up ginger. If Tyler didn't ever say don't drink a lot, you'd get a ginger. Sarah, leave the gullet. You'll get the gullet after. So you guys, this is what I forgot to buy last week. This is what I didn't forget. I just did not buy it. Anyways, so this is gullet.
No, say it again. You did forget to.
No, I didn't forget. I just didn't buy it. But it's still in the supermarket, a lot of them, and this one was made actually today. Funny enough, when I pick it up, the bottom feel warm, and I love eating my gullet warm. I was trying to stay away from it, but we buy it. And Sarah loves gullet. Obviously, she ate it at school. So let's see how that will go. All right, let's go. Continue. Ty.
We have couscous and chicken. What is that, Sarah?
Here.
Yeah, it's the first time. No, Sarah eat it long time ago. But it's the first we're gonna eat it when she's talking like this. Come on. Come tell her you back. No move.
Patty. Patty, we have patty, guys! Now patty?
Not yet, but we'll have patty soon.
We have
We'll have patty next week.
Mama, what is this happy biscuit?
Okay, let me explain.
I understand.
No happy biscuit in the supermarket, zero. So because I love you so much and I know it's your favorite, I try to find the closest thing to it. So hopefully you appreciate my effort. Do you appreciate my effort? Do you appreciate my effort?
Yes.
Okay, that's all that matters.
I would prefer more mini Oreos.
You prefer more mini Oreos? Guess what? I deliberately looked, but there were none.
Happy Juice Pod family.
Yeah. No mini Oreos because I realized you and Sarah loved it last week, so I went and look for it. But I have a surprise in the bag.
Another chicken
So if you continue looking, you'll find a surprise. I'm not gonna tell you, just pack up all
Another
the
chicken. When you want to eat the gullet?
Don't begin. Whenever, it don't matter, we don't have to
The
today.
little bottle that your friends give us.
Which is
Steve.
the bottle?
Apple
You
juice.
can open it.
I mean, is it in the fridge?
Should be. I'm not sure. Or maybe I'm for the fridge. Hey, you. Continue, go up. Tyler, continue to the snack bag. And show things what is
Biscuit for Sarah.
Coconut water.
Family.
You know where it's coming from?
Thailand. I'm just randomly guessing.
No.
Where?
Jamaica.
Hell no, I wish. What?
Beside Thailand. Do you know your geography?
Hell no, Tyler would have guessed that better than me. What's beside Thailand, Tyler? Vietnam. Vietnamese. Juice for Sarah and Tyler.
Which bag is this?
Sarah, what's that? Oh.
I see it, samosa.
Tyler, take out the things out of the bag. Everything has to come out of the bag
We have cheese
regardless.
there.
Don't search.
Cheese.
Sarah sits. Tyler, hurry up, please.
We have Sarah's favorite one.
Please, stop.
Is
Mikado.
Tomato sauce. Blue for the toilet. Anybody else love when their toilet water is blue? I don't like to see the toilet water without it not being blue because I don't like to see the toilet. Just a
rice
pet
cake.
peeve. Just a pet peeve of mine.
Oh, we have bucatine.
Just like-
Bucatine marina.
Just like how I hate a dirty house, that's how much I
Bucatine, that's
hate
when
a
she puts the cheese on top of
dirty-
it.
That's how much I hate eating in a toilet. I love this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
good.
eat some of it right now. It's toast bread, small toast bread, and I love putting garlic cheese on it.
We have bought biscuit, that's how they call it.
But Thailand,
Strawberry chocolate, and we have cereal bar for the wife.
Dinner.
It's like a tartar.
A samosa
Mama, is
and
this a surprise?
samosa. We have 2 samosa. Surprise is the cake.
Finish.
We have this big bag.
That's one.
What you forget?
You don't see Mikado?
Ice.
Yeah, that's a surprise.
Surprise.
Surprise bad. Surprise bad.
I didn't see it.
I can see.
So why you don't know that's a surprise. I've never bought that in a long time. I haven't bought it in a long time.
We have
I
fries.
thought the surprise would be something.
Fries for who?
You thought it would be something better?
Banana.
You don't like the surprise?
I do like it, but
But you don't appreciate
I
the
would
surprise.
prefer
Green
something
bean. You prefer green bean? You prefer
Banana.
green bean?
Sarah, look. I carry this for you on tie.
We have green bean and fish. That doesn't look like fish.
Watch everybody all over the place. What you want?
What I want is
You
something.
soon put on, princess. Let's finish the supermarket haul first.
You're going for the bag first.
I'm not interested here. You guys, guess what I bought today? Yes, you're happy now?
Yes, I
You got
thought
this
it
carrot.
was this.
Guess what?
This is yours or this is mine?
Mine.
Guess what, Tyler?
What?
When I walk in the supermarket, only 3 of them remain. 1, 2, 3. And I'm like, I am not passing it. And then come back and there's none. So I took it up. It was the first thing in the basket. I'm like, yeah, Tyler, I'll be happy. Cucumber. And I bought green planting that I haven't bought in a long time. When I see it, my mouth start drooling. I felt for green press planting. So you know who's gonna make green press planting? Moi. Broccoli. We got the tomato. See, everybody abandoned the supermarket haul. We got apples for
Because
the
you're putting nothing for us.
Everything is for me?
Yes.
No, after for green juice is for you. You have to put the bag over your head. Come let me put Wait, let me everything come out in your ear. Alright, it's time for rock, paper, scissors, danger zone. Danger zone, rock, paper, scissors time. Ready? Yes, danger zone, come. Rock, paper, scissors. You danger zone. You are danger zone. Ready? Who ready? Me. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Come on, Tyler. Tyler, Sarah, who's team you're on? You're Tyler team? Sarah, why don't you? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah.
Okay, play against the loser. Play the loser.
Oh no! Sarah! And she deliberately just look at that stuff and go. Finish. Danger zone. Finish. Okay? Do you hear me? Okay, I'm gonna play rock, paper, scissors with Tyler. You playing? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 mama. You see, I cheer for him when he's playing with Papa, but when I'm playing with him, I want to beat him. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ow! Jesus, honey! Baby! You boy slap on your finger! Ow! Baby, there is mini pizza in the freezer too. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! 2 mama, 2 mama. Anybody win this? Win the game. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
You lost?
Yes, you
You
win.
lost against the dwarf?
No, finish. Finish means okay. Go play with your sister until the is ready. Run! Hiya! Run! You guys. You know it's Friday flex, so we're gonna eat whatever we feel like on this day. Monster man, I'm gonna catch you. Run! And pack out all of these sticks. They're acting crazy. Look at them. Run! Okay, finish. I gotta go. Finish mean finish. Did I say finish? You see them? They're not finishing it? I'm finished.